In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can download any view once photo or video on WhatsApp in just few easy steps. The best part is that this trick works perfectly on both iPhone and Android devices. So here's how you can save view once media files on your phone. When you open view once photo or video sent by a friend, don't close that chat immediately. Tap on the three dots in the right top corner of the chat. From the menu, select more, then choose export chat. WhatsApp will automatically convert the entire chat with that contact into zip file. You will then be asked to select a file manager to export the file. Once the zip file, open the zip file using your file manager, tap on it and select extract. Next, choose a destination folder for better organization. It's recommended to create a new folder specifically for this. Give the folder any name you like. That's complete. Open the folder you just created. Inside, you find the exact photo or video that you viewed on WhatsApp. Save it to your phone's gallery and now it's yours to keep. That's the same method works for both photos and videos sent as view once media. You need to just follow these steps carefully and you will be able to access any view once file with ease. So that's how you can download any view once photo or video on WhatsApp in just few easy steps.